Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So if your Google business profile has been suspended and you don't know how you can get it back, in this video I'll show you how you can fix the suspension and verify your business and get your profile reinstated quickly. Let's get started. For that, first of all, let's talk about the common reason your business profile might be suspended. It might be due to inaccurate or misleading business information, multiple profiles for the same business, violating the Google's guidelines like fake review or spam, and inconsistent business location or unverified addresses. Before taking any actions, review Google's business profile guidelines to make sure your business complies. This helps you identify any issues with your profile that may have caused the suspension. If needed, update your profile to align with the rules. Now, if the profile was suspended for a reason you believe is a mistake, you can appeal. For that, you can go ahead and simply visit the Google's help support, and then inside here, you want to go ahead and select submit and appeal. And just like that, write a clear and polite explanation detailing why you think the suspension should be lifted. Also, make sure your business information is accurate. Your business name, phone number, address, and website should be consistent with other platforms. If your address is listed as a home address or shared space, verify it with Google through the verification postcard or phone call. Once your appeal has been submitted, it can take up to 3 to 5 business days for Google to review your profile. Keep an eye on your email for updates and also be patient during this time. That's it. Follow these steps to fix your suspended Google business profile. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.